Okay, there are two things. First, we need to enter patient basic detail. Then after that, when we add present complaint and we update present complaint, this is the only two works, main task we are going to do it, and we can get everything as a just by report. That's all. Second thing, it's about present complaint and updating present complaint. You open up a patient by clicking like this. Click here. You open up a patient, and then you can add present complaint. The present complaint will appear in this table when you open it. So you can add new present complaint through this or through this, and it will remember your choice. CAJ chest pain and the complaint vital signs. Okay, and after that you are going to update all of these things, and now submit. Okay, then go here. Last one will be chest pain. Open up, load it. This is the chest pain, certain date, and vital signs is like that. And here drugs, you can enter drugs in two ways, by brand name or by generic name. Okay, just choose the drug and copy, it will come here. If you want to omit a drug, copy here, it will come here, and you can just write what is the reason why you are omitting this drug, so it will be added. And if you want to add image, no images here. If you want to add image, just drag and drop, double click, image added successfully. You may see this, submit, you may see this. Alright, load it. Remember your choice, view, you can view this. It has a scroll bar so that you can scroll it and view it if it is big image. Okay, that's it. You can update, do investigations and examination, and pharmacological treatment plan and non-pharmacological treatment plan. You can update everything, and you can load and refer it. Like here, having something now, submit and load. Right, that's it. With the date, it will appear. All right, that's it. Technical specifications about this. It's developed in Java and using MySQL database. You can use it as a standalone application, or you can use it remotely. I mean, the server is somewhere else, you can use it from somewhere else. So yeah, that's it.